Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to navigate the State Council's dashboard. From the State Council's dashboard's homepage, if you look to your top left, you're going to see a title that says Test Dashboard. If you go ahead and click that, it's going to bring you a drop-down menu of the variety of dashboards that is available for you to view. And from the middle banner of the dashboard, you're going to see other title icons that are called pages. So for example, if you go ahead and click Service and Supports Received, it's going to take you to that particular dashboard page. The other option you have to navigate the dashboard pages is a drop-down menu. To get to the drop-down menu, you can go ahead and scroll down to your right. There'll be a downward arrow button that you can click. Once you click that, it's going to give you the drop-down menu for the pages. For example, if you were to click Transportation, it will take you directly to our dashboard transportation page. From here, you can see the variety of information of charts and filters. If you want to filter this dashboard page, you can click our upper filters. For example, language. If you click that, it will give you a drop-down menu with options for you to choose. Let's say if we were to choose English as a filter, it's going to filter every chart on this page with the filter English. If you want to add an additional filter, you can click the corresponding filters, either to your left or to your right. So for example, if you want to click by year, you can filter every chart on this page by the option of year that you like. For example, 2010 and 2011. You can see how the charts on every widget has changed and corresponded to the filter of 2010, 2011, and the language English. Now, I'll show you how you can print this dashboard. If you were to go to your far right, and then you look at the icons that's on the middle banner, you're going to see an option that says Export. If you click Export, it's going to give you the option to either download the dashboard or email the dashboard. From there, if you choose to download a dashboard, it's going to download on your computer, and you'll be able to have that particular downloaded file to save or to print at your own convenience. Okay, so that's it for our introduction of the basic navigation of our State Council's dashboard. If you have any other further questions or any inquiries, feel free to visit our website at scdd.ca.gov. And that'll be it for the introduction. Thank you and have a great day.